Supreme Court has now allowed the UP government's plea, which was seeking to not demolish the multi-level parking lot which is near Taj Mahal. That has been accepted, which means it is going to be status quo till further orders that come in from the Supreme Court. We should remember just a couple of days back, Tuesday this week, the Supreme Court had ordered the demolition of this very same multi-layer parking area which was being constructed in the vicinity of the Taj with the allegation that it could have an adverse impact on the 17th century monument. Now the Supreme Court, of course, has put a hold on this. We have with us senior correspondent Meenakshi with those details. Meenakshi, what this really means is that there would be no further construction and no demolition either of the existing structure.
Well, Seher, this is an interim reprieve at best for the UP government. These are not final disposal orders of the Supreme Court because the UP government, led by Adityanath, wants to submit further on this issue. And therefore, like you rightly pointed out, the Supreme Court has ordered for status quo to be maintained. That means the 2 days back order, which was passed by the top court, has the element of status quo, as in there can be no further demolition, neither can there be any additional constructions to that spot. In the meantime, what the top court has also done is that it has given Adityanath some weeks' time to revert with a detailed plan about the preservation and the protection of Taj, because this was multi-level parking lot which was initiated by the earlier Akhilesh Yadav government. The Adityanath government wants to retain it, but they really need to come back to the Supreme Court and convince as to how the existence of this multi-level parking will not compromise or hamper the interests of the Taj Mahal. They wanted an opportunity to submit on that account, and that is the reason we are seeing the Supreme Court give them some time, but again, order status quo. That means there can be no further demolitions, neither can there be any additional construction to the disputed site.